Are you know? When you look at a cheetah standing still, you are looking at one of the most extreme biological designs on Earth. It doesn't look dangerous. It doesn't look powerful. But in just a few seconds, this animal can break the limits of biology. And the real question is not how fast the cheetah is. The real question is, how does its body survive what it does to itself? At first glance, the cheetah looks almost fragile. Thin legs, small head, light frame. Compared to lions or tigers, it seems weaker. But nature did not design the cheetah to fight. Nature designed it to win in a different way. Through speed. A cheetah can reach speeds over 100 kilometers per hour, faster than any land animal, faster than most cars accelerating from a stop. But here's where the mystery begins. If speed alone was enough, why didn't other animals evolve the same way? Why only the cheetah? To understand this, we need to look beneath the skin, because the cheetah you see is not the cheetah that runs. Inside its body is a machine pushed to its absolute limits. Let's start with the skeleton. A cheetah's bones are lighter than those of other big cats. Not weaker, just optimized. Every unnecessary gram has been removed. Less weight means less resistance. Less resistance means faster acceleration. But this creates a problem. Lighter bones mean higher stress. So how do they survive? The answer is flexibility. The cheetah's spine is not rigid like ours. It bends, it stretches, it compresses like a spring. When the cheetah runs, its spine stores energy and releases it with every stride. This is why a cheetah can cover enormous distances with fewer steps. At full speed, there are moments when all 4 feet leave the ground. For a fraction of a second, the cheetah is flying. Now think about this. Every time the cheetah lands, its body absorbs massive force, enough force to injure most animals. So why doesn't it break? The muscles hold the answer. Cheetah muscles are packed with fast-twitch fibers. These fibers contract quickly and powerfully. They are perfect for explosions of speed, but they burn energy fast, very fast, which leads to a dangerous trade-off. The cheetah is powerful, but only for a short time. This is why cheetah chases rarely last longer than 20 seconds. After that, the body begins to fail. Temperature rises, oxygen drops, muscles flood with waste chemicals. If the cheetah doesn't stop, it could collapse or die. Now ask yourself this. Why would nature design an animal that pushes itself so close to death? Because in evolution, speed is sometimes worth the risk. But muscles alone are not enough. The cheetah's breathing system is synchronized with its movement. As the spine stretches, the lungs expand. As the spine compresses, air is forced out. This turns the entire body into a breathing machine. Oxygen floods the blood. Energy floods the muscles. But again, this comes at a cost. The heart. During a sprint, the cheetah's heart rate skyrockets. Blood pressure increases. Oxygen demand becomes extreme. This is not sustainable, which is why after a chase, the cheetah must rest. Sometimes for more than 30 minutes. During this time, it is vulnerable. This leads to another mystery. If cheetahs are so fast, why don't they dominate the savannah? Because speed doesn't protect you when you stop moving. Lions can steal a cheetah's kill. Hyenas can chase it away. Leopards can overpower it. The cheetah survives by timing, not strength. One mistake, and the hunt fails. Even the cheetah's feet tell a story of sacrifice. Unlike other cats, its claws do not fully retract. They act like running spikes, gripping the ground. This improves traction, but reduces climbing ability. Every design choice favors speed, nothing else. And then there's the tail, long, heavy, muscular. At high speed, the tail acts like a counterbalance. It allows sharp turns without losing control. Without the tail, the cheetah would spin out. Nature calculated everything. But here's where things get truly fascinating. Despite all this perfection, the cheetah population is fragile. All modern cheetahs are genetically similar. A massive population collapse in the past reduced their diversity. This makes them vulnerable to disease. The fastest animal on land may not outrun extinction. Scientists study cheetahs not just to protect them, but to learn from them. Robotics, prosthetics, vehicle suspension systems. Human engineering copies nature, because nature solved these problems first. But even scientists admit this. We still don't fully understand how the cheetah survives its own speed. And that's the real mystery. Not how fast the cheetah runs, but how close it operates to the edge of failure. Every sprint is a gamble. Every chase risks everything. Speed is not just its advantage. Speed is its danger. So the next time you see a cheetah standing still, remember this. You are not looking at rest. You are looking at stored violence, stored energy, stored risk, a biological system pushed to the absolute limit. And this raises a bigger question. How many other animals are hiding secrets like this? How many natural systems are still misunderstood? How many answers has science not fully uncovered yet? If you're curious about the hidden engineering inside nature, about animals that break biological limits, and about mysteries science is still trying to solve, subscribe to Science Uncovered, because the most incredible discoveries are not the ones we already understand. They're the ones waiting to be uncovered next.